I'm Kristina Amelong from Optimal Health Network, and I want to talk to you about Optimal Health Network's Bowel Management Protocol. It's so important to move your bowels every day, and so many people don't move their bowels every day or struggle with constipation. A lot of people do find enemas very beneficial for relieving constipation. For those of you who don't want to use enemas because of the time it takes, for instance, or who want to avoid the harsh side effects of laxatives like Cassara sagrada that do discolor the colon, I recommend 4 therapeutics that work to optimize the health in many different ways, but also move the bowels every day. So the 4 nutrients that all have a bowel tolerance, meaning if you take too much of it, you're going to get loose stools or diarrhea. So the idea is to use each of them together so that you get the therapeutic benefit of each of them without having any of the negative side effects. And if we start with magnesium, magnesium is a common therapeutic used to move the bowels. However, if you use only magnesium, you can tend to imbalance other minerals, which I do see continually from doing hair tissue mineral analysis with people, that they rely on a magnesium supplement for bowel control, but then they imbalance things like their calcium or their sodium or their potassium from taking too much magnesium. So magnesium used with a digestive enzyme, and I highly recommend one that has pancreatin, ox bile, and black radish root in it, because then you get the benefits also of moving the bowels every day, but you also get the support for the pancreas and the liver and the gallbladder, which are all organs that have a lot to do with optimal bowel flow. And then vitamin C also, again, has a bowel tolerance and can give you loose stools or diarrhea if you take too much. But if you use it in combination with the magnesium, the digestive enzyme, and the probiotic, you're going to get optimal bowel flow with immune benefit as well as cellular support. And then, as I mentioned just a moment ago, the 4th one is a probiotic. Probiotics are really important to optimize the microbiome of the bowel, and when used in conjunction with these other 3 therapeutics, they're going to optimize the health of your body by improving your microbiome and giving you great bowel flow. The other thing about these 4 nutrients used together is that you can use them long term, and they'll continue to provide you with other benefits besides just moving your bowels on a daily basis. So if you have any issues with moving your bowels every day, our bowel management protocol is a clinically tested set of nutrients that will give you great bowel flow every day and also enhance your health overall, giving you optimal health. So if you need any support thinking about any of these issues, please do reach out to us at Optimal Health Network, and I do provide personalized consultations, so I can help you with that. And we can be reached at 608-242-0200, a phone call or text, or you can reach out to our website, optimalhealthnetwork.com, for we have a contact form and an intake form, and we would love to hear from you and support you on your healing journey. Thank you.